दुसरे तुमचे पार्किंगाचे. Parking in front of the Mandavi river is not because of the casino, because the jetty work is going on, half the road is been blocked, and because of that there is a jam. And if there is a parking jam or parking disturbance, there are various ways to resolve. You take us into confidence, we can build a multi-level parking, we can resolve that issue in a many particular manner. Now 18 June Road, there is a parking problem, morning 7 o'clock till night o'clock there is a parking problem, there is a vehicle parked on the both sides. You close all the shops in the 18 June Road, your municipality office is there on 18 June Road, you first lock that. Why you are not locking that? In Sharda Mandir, there is every day there is a parking jam. You created a bridge, which is a wrong bridge you created. You have 1 minute solution, you are not bringing a solution to that. Mushti Fund School, there is a traffic jam every day. What solution you have done for that? Now coming to your garbage, I have got pictures of 5 major Panjim nalas are bringing entire Panjim garbage into Mandavi river. Nothing has been done for years. I have got beautiful pictures bringing entire Panjim shit into Mandavi river. Nobody is doing anything for it. So
you are justifying your shit into
Mandavi? One second, I have not completed.
I'll come to you. Let him complete.
I have brought
everybody has bashed them, so let him complete.
I have brought entire record of how much sewage we have given it to the Panjim part of municipal by paying that we are sending it. And I have got my own pelvanizing plant for my garbage treatment. Okay, we have keeping every record. In entire last financial year, only 1.5 lakh tourists have been handled by the casinos. Whereas that 8 Santa Monica boats have handled 8.5 lakh tourists. Their garbage is not coming. You can't see that garbage. If any garbage floats in Mandavi river, on that any printing is there, it is because of casino. Anything is printed on that. Our garbage, everything we are controlling, and we are keeping a record of it. I will tell you one more thing. You are talking only garbage. There is a hazardous waste, engine oil. As per we come under MS Act. As per Marpol Treaty, we are keeping every liter track of the engine oil. What happens to those boats? What happens to the barge engine oil? Where is that going? Has anybody found out about it? I have got pictures. You can see these pictures. And one more thing I will tell you, in Pato, there is a Pato garbage you are collecting. Where is that garbage? This garbage is not being treated. That is going straight into the Mandavi. You take the picture of this garbage.
Your main argument is कि प्रत्येक प्रॉब्लम हाडून कसिनो लायना का देयर आर एक्झिस्टिंग प्रॉब्लेम्स व्हिच यू नीड टू टेक केअर ऑफ.
हानी काम कितें करिना, हानी लोकांचे ते डायवर्ट करचे खातीर प्रत्येकदा कसिनो म्हणून दाखयता. Without seeing, we have been keeping quiet for years, but everything goes wrong. They blame it to the casino.
Alex.
Okay. See, I am countering all the questions everybody is taken. Michael has said commitment. Government do you want us to do? I want to remind Michael that commitment is of our government. You have got no say in our commitments. Our government is bad. Our government was thrown out. Please don't say that it was our commitment which you want to keep.
Don't get into blame game.
Yeah, don't get into blame game. Don't try to wriggle out of the situation. Commitment amge ashilo. The previous fellows, the casino fellows knew if Congress didn't come to power, they would be out. They were prepared for it. That's not your job to answer. You were against the casinos.
No.
One second. Let me finish.
One second. Was not the only thing.
One second.
Congress and NCP is corruption was the main issue.
Okay, I'll come to.
Casino was not an issue at all.
Michael, we'll come to corruption.
We are talking of casinos. Let us come to
Okay.
If we talk of corruption, I'll tell you your corruption.
Okay, next point. We'll come to corruption.
I'll tell you your corruption.
I'll talk about
now
corruption.
I'll tell you.
Alex, I'll talk about corruption. We'll come to corruption.
One second.
Go to next point.
Yes. Sewage and sewerage tent touch केला. I want to tell him that sewage and sewerage may be from the municipality, but that doesn't give you an excuse. Remember, casino culture. One second. What record you all are keeping and what record you all are not coming? We will. A day will come and everything will come open. Don't worry. I have got what I am speaking. I am speaking with some substance. What I am speaking. Please will not argue on that. Casino, but there is good casino culture. There is bad casino culture. Remember, casino culture, if it is done properly, it can be good. But what is being done right now? Congress government came. Congress government, I didn't say I am criticizing my own government. But what BJP government did? What is happening? What about the payout ratios? What about the employees problems? What about what is going on in the casinos? I am not blaming you. I am not blaming you. I know what is happening in yours. I know what is happening in Casino Caravela. I know what is happening in Delta Casino. I know everything what is happening. I only don't want to talk. But 1 second, Parrikar went out to say he is going to remove this. He is going to remove it. तो आपण काट म्हणून बोलावलो तेगे स्टेटमेंट बरो हा कित म्हणून काँग्रेस गवर्नमेंट पत्त पावर आयलो गुड स्टेटमेंट इज ओके बरे 6th वेसल कोणागे वेसल बाबा
6th वेसल
कोणागे दी सांग मरे सांग रे
कंची 6th वेसल
तू मेडा 6th वेसल इज वेटिंग फॉर लाइसेंस कोणागे रे
महाराजा इज वेटिंग फॉर लाइसेंस फॉर 6 years
6th lesson there are no 6 there are another 2 vehicles also waiting for license. I'm telling you one more thing. I'm just telling you same effect what has happened today will happen. That's why we don't want history to be repeated. And one more तो 4 वर्षां काटता 5 वर्षां काट म्हणून तो त्याला लाई देला कोणाको for people who are crying. One second parking problem म्हणता he said he made a good statement. He said parking आपण करू शकतालो आम्ही सॉल्व करपाक शकताले. तू सांगता CM हुशार ना संपाक तो कितें उलयतो but CM हास्या कोण ना. One second
I'll come to you.
मुस्तिफाना को प्रॉब्लेम आहा म्हणता मुस्तिफाना प्रॉब्लेम आजी आल्लो
मुस्तिफा I'm taking Mayor on Panji. Boy, Mayor, there are 2 aspects.
I spoke only of what everybody discussed.
Yeah, absolutely. Mayor, there are 2 aspects. One thing that he is saying that there are much bigger problems in your city. You are not attending to them, and you are trying to divert attention and put every blame and everything on casinos. That is point 1. Point 2 about your parking issue. He said they are ready to build a multi-story parking facility for you. You have never taken them positively.
Number 1, what's your name, Mrs.
Srinivasan.
He has said
Srinivas Nayak.
Srinivas Nayak. From where are you?
I'm
originally.
Goan. I'm originally from Goa only.
No.
All GSBs are Goan.
That's okay. You don't tell me that you're GSB.
Your point.
Everybody knows. You come from where?
I'm from Karnataka, but I'm staying
You're
in
from
Goa
Karnataka.
for 20 years.
When you come from Karnataka, don't teach me what to do.
No.
Number
don't
1.
use these words.
Number 1, I want to tell you. Number 1, I want to tell you.
Country.
Number 1, I want to tell you.
I'm not teaching anything.
When I go to Karnataka, I don't tell you what to do.
No.
When I go to Karnataka, I don't tell you what to do.
Now you are butting in.
When I go to Karnataka,
you can't answer.
I'm answering.
You can't answer question. Why
I'm
are you
answering.
in
Answer is
Karnataka?
point.
I'm
I am
answering.
Indian.
Okay, Srinath,
I
एक
have
मिनट.
every right to be in India.
Srinath, एक
I have
मिनट.
every right to be in
There
India.
are 2 points. They are straight questions.
Number 1.
You can't answer my questions.
Please don't get me very smart.
No, you are trying to be smart. Why you brought
Srinath,
Karnataka?
एक मिनट.
What difference does it
I
make?
asked you
Wherever I
for-
am from. I am from Timbuktu. What difference does it make?
Because you don't know
I
the.
have asked you the question.
Srinath,
You don't
I
have
have
the
history.
history of Goa for 20
You don't know the
years.
history and geography of
I
Goa.
know history of Goa.
Srinath, 1 minute.
I don't know.
Srinath, wait.
No.
Mayor,
You have been
Mayor,
paid a salary
Mayor,
by a
No, I
company.
am not
Mayor,
paid.
So you are defending
I
the
am
company.
not paid.
Mayor,
I am not
You are
paid.
doing an honorary job for the company.
I am a proper-
Are you a
you are
honorary
not
job?
answering
Whatever it
question.
does
You are not
matter.
answering
I
the
asked a
point.
question.
I
You are not
answering
answering the point.
I am answering.
You are
Yeah,
not
answer the
answering
point.
questions.
Srinath, 1
Straight
minute.
questions.
Srinath, 1
He
minute.
has said
Yes.
that when it was advertised, they went throughout the world to find out to buy the casinos.
Yeah.
I want to ask him
Yeah.
whether these casinos were built new or you bought scrapyard casinos.
No, we
Tell
brought
me.
running casinos.
You-
We brought a running casino.
You have
We
gone
brought
throughout the
a-
world
to brought a running
you
casino,
bought
not
scrap casinos.
No,
Mayor,
because no.
Mayor, his
I am-
point is,
I am telling
you are,
you.
there are bigger
You are
problems
not
in your
answering
city,
questions.
and you are
You are not
blaming
answering.
them.
You are
I am
diverting.
countering him on every
You
point.
are diverting.
I am countering him on every point.
Okay.
You are diverting
First
public.
he
Okay,
said-
take me.
First
I'll
he
come to you,
said-
Srinath, I'll come to
Please.
you.
First he said,
Yeah.
see, I want to tell him I am 28 in politics.
Yeah. Mayor,
And
point,
said,
point.
He didn't have to teach me.
Okay, point.
He said throughout the world, they have brought scraps.
Okay.
That's why they can't
No,
go.
I'll come to you, I'll come to you.
That's
Let
why
me
they
finish.
can't go offshore.
Okay.
They can't go to this thing.
Okay, next point.
Number 2.
Yeah.
He meant to say, he's saying that because the jetty work is going on, you meant to say only there it is this thing?
Yes.
Only there is
Come
a
with
fucking.
me,
I'll
You
come to
can.
you.
You come with me
You
today.
see
You come
everywhere
with me
because
today.
MS
You come
cars,
with me today.
MS
Just
cars
now.
are everywhere.
Because
Because
I'll
you
come
are
to you.
tourist destination,
MS cars
you have
are
to welcome
whole
MS
of
destination.
Beijing, including-
You say MS cars are not allowed in Goa.
No, MS
Srinath,
cars.
I'll come to you. Srinath, I'll come to you. Let him finish. Let him
MS
finish.
cars
Yeah.
are towards the city. What they
You
do?
say no.
Please understand. Please.
Okay,
Please allow me to talk.
Mayor,
Please allow me to talk. Don't try to be too smart.
Mayor, you make
Please
the
allow
point.
me to talk. Don't try to be too
Mayor,
smart.
you make the point.
You are paid by the company. I'm not paid by the company. Please don't laugh.
Okay, Mayor, answer
Please
this
understand.
question.
You're
Mayor,
talking to
answer
Suren
this question.
Furtado. You're not talking to Manor Parrikar. You're not talking to your boss.
Okay, Mayor, question.
Number 2.
Yes.
Whole of Panjim, you find outside cars. Morning, evening they go at night
Yeah.
to gamble.
Okay.
Daytime their family comes to shop. All these are also added.
Okay.
What I'm saying, I don't want casinos in my city. I don't want the offices. Let them. I'm not against casinos. Let them go outside Panjim. Let them go to Kalangut. Let them go to Anjuna. Let them go to Baga. But I don't Panjim because our roads are narrow.
Even if they give you a multi-story parking
I am not
facility.
interested.
Okay, second
Because
point.
I am capable in building. I am getting 1,000 crores. I will build on my own.
Okay,
I
second point. Mayor, second
I
point.
don't require charities from
Okay,
these fellows.
okay. Second point.
Because the moment I take money from them,
Yes.
they'll give hand, they'll give the finger, they'll want the hand.
Okay, second point, very valid point is that there are bigger problems in your city,
Yes.
and you are blaming everything on casinos. May it be Santinez Nala, or may it be garbage problem,
Yes.
may it be parking problems,
Yes.
you have it everywhere.
Will I
It
tell
is
you?
not because of the casinos
Will I
only.
tell you?
Yeah.
Now Manohar Parrikar is Chief Minister MLA for 20 years. What has he done? I am only 4 months old. I am trying my level best.
So he is saying don't blame casinos for
No,
everything.
casino, where the garbage going? Where is casino garbage going? How it is coming in Karanjala beach? How is entire thing coming in Karanjala beach? At night, these people are paying my gurkha and putting the garbage in Patao. Don't make me open my mouth.
Okay.
You all are paying my watchman and at night you are putting garbage there. You want me to tell him what else can do?
Okay.
I want to tell you one more.
Last point.
Not last point, there are more points.
Then I'll come to you. I'll take others and I'll come to you.
I told the Chief Minister of Goa,
Yeah.
send the health department officers to every private hospital and find out what is happening in private hospital, how many abortions have been taken and whose abortions are these.
Okay, Michael.
Now,
You heard so
where
many
I go
things. You have seen the agitated and angry mayor, and he is again the same point that I am bringing it up with the government, and there are certain corrective measures that need to be taken, and your government is not taking it.
He is focusing more thing on the parking. Parking म्हणजे Panjim being the capital city, आमचे कालांगुटान जितके रूम्स आहात तितके ट्युरिस्ट Panjim येतात, टॅक्सी घेऊन येतात, ओ आपली MH गाडी घेऊन येतात, ओ दिल्ली गाडी घेऊन येतात, म्हणजे they come with their vehicles. They are ready to pay money for parking. What Panjim is lacking in today is a multi-level car park. You park your car and you go.
You feel that casino is not responsible for all
No,
these problems.
casino cannot be responsible for the parking woes of Panjim. Panjiman sarke soglan worst problem are. Without a driver, you cannot
Garbage.
move in Panjim. Garbage is also a biggest problem in Panjim.
So
Not only
because-
Panjim, garbage is a problem of Goa,
Okay, so
which
casinos
needs to
are
be
not
resolved.
casinos are solely not responsible
No,
for it.
casinos are only not responsible. Casinos are bringing in added vehicles, which needs a solution, and the solution is a multi-level car park, which is coming opposite the jetty. That is the bridge below. Eta bhai the car park.
ते जेटी कौन कहता रे?
Okay, try and
See,
welcome to you.
Srivasan Naik showed photographs of pollution. He's justifying his wrong by showing another wrong, which does not hold water at all. Number two, apart from all this pollution, there is moral pollution going on, the highest level of pollution. And our youth, who are getting ruined day by day, the government is only talking, I will do this, I will do that. For 18 months it has done nothing to at least stop. I am not saying the other youth should be ruined. But first let us take care of our Goans and see that they are stopped. A gaming commissioner was promised. It's only being promised. Okay. Now there is he has opposed dance bar. I would like him to define what is a dance bar. Is it going to be allowed? What is happening on the casinos? If it happens in a 5-star hotel, it is permitted. Are this what I am asking is, as the editor rightly pointed out, ये थेलियाची गेम चलता. Our bigger business investments are putting pressure on the smaller, so that the business goes there by saying these are dance bars, and dance bars will continue in 5-star hotels. What is a dance bar? As he has opposed it, he should be able to explain what a dance bar is.
I would interrupt him on this matter. What he has said is partly right about Goan youth going to casinos. Our rules and regulations have to be corrected. I still stand by rules and regulation where
A government
Goan
that had
people should
promised-
be stopped from
a government
going
that
there.
had-
This is
See, now, Michael, let me be very clear. Michael, let me be very clear.
Pramod Bab, the
No,
government that had promised
has
to
to
rid
be-
away
has to be
casino
stopped.
is not even making rules to.
It is,
Okay,
it
no, no,
is, it is there in
Michael,
Macau.
okay, I'll come,
No,
I'll
it
come.
is there in Macau.
Michael Bab,
It
you
is
are
there in
telling
Macau.
me